The Oppo F17 is part of the F series lineup, a lineup where Oppo showcases new designs and focuses on the overall experience. And while there is the Oppo F17 Pro, today we're going to talk about the Oppo F17. The F17 is more affordable and brings some of the expected mid-range features and even packs some surprises. Let's quickly unbox the phone so we can test it out for a full review. And here's the box. And it gives out some of the key features and specifications of the F17. We'll slide it out and pop it open. The first thing you see is the smartphone, of course. We're going to set it aside for now and see what else is in the box. This one has the documents and the transparent case for the phone. And below it is the VOOC 4.0 30-watt charger, a USB-C cable and a wired pair of headphones. I wonder how many of them you see in smartphone boxes these days. Now let's come back to the smartphone. The F17 features a faux leather exterior that really makes the phone stand out in this segment. It gives a good grip, keeps the weight low, and most importantly, it makes it look really good. The F17 is quite slim and can be used one-handed. There's a 6.4-inch AMOLED display with FHD+ resolution that becomes bright when used outdoors and falls down to just 2 nits when used at night, making it really comfortable to use right before bed. Inside, there's the Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 chipset, along with up to 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. While we don't expect flagship-grade performance out of this, we're hoping this one won't really disappoint in daily usage. For what it's worth, the ColorOS 7.2 UI comes with its own anti-lag algorithm that keeps cleaning up junk data in the background, keeping the phone from freezing. We will certainly test that out in our review. The F17 rocks a 16-megapixel quad camera setup at the back that includes an ultra-wide lens, a macro lens and a depth sensor. There's also Oppo's own AI dazzle mode baked in and a dedicated night mode and a host of filters to play around with. On the front is another 16-megapixel camera for selfies, and this one can capture portraits even in low light according to Oppo. Lastly, the Oppo F17 comes with a 4000 mAh battery and a 30-watt VOOC 4.0 charger out of the box, which Oppo claims can charge the phone to full capacity in just 50 minutes. So yeah, that was a quick look and unboxing of the Oppo F17. We found this one to be like a breath of fresh air among smartphones that all just seem to look the same these days. But there's a lot more to test before we give out a final verdict, so stay tuned and thanks for watching.